What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this cake holder, as you can basically see right here. So as you can see, looking pretty neat. From the top you can see the cake inside. So when you basically open it, you have some lock on the side right here. We can basically lock it from the side. So you basically have three sections right round, so you can basically pull them to view the cake or protect it from any flies or anything like that. So what you can do now, you can open it just simply and you can see the cake and in the inside. So this is the cover right here, which looking really great. And also inside it comes with a cake cutter that you can use to cut your cakes and stuff like that, which is looking pretty neat. I'm loving this so far. So I basically use this to basically cover my cake whenever I'm not using it, put it inside the fridge, or just to keep it in a safe place. So if you're keeping any party or anything like that, I want to keep your cake well safe from any flies at any function. This is one of the best cake holder that you can basically use because I'm loving design. And you can basically carry it around like so. They have an angle on the top, which very safe to carry around. And I hope you guys find this very interesting.